Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar. Today is a very great day for me. So I'm making video on my Etherconnect for a long time, etherconnect.co, which I joined in the month of March 22nd of March 2021. February 13th has launched. Luckily, I got this big project, big project. So today I'm making a video, a short video. Why? Because now first time ECC withdrawal is starting. 1 hour 33 minutes 41 seconds. I want to show you my income of the 6 months, and that is what the greatness in cryptocurrency and this big project Ethereum I'll get. Already they came with BCC BitConnect, Bitcoin 2017. They have come up with ECC now, Etherconnect, which gives you Ethereum and BSS Smart Chain. So this project is big one, runs at least 3 to 5 years. So what I earned in 6 months, I want to show. You can see my name here, the team 56. I started single, but with God and universe blessings, I got 56 members, 9 direct, 35 active. See the ECC price right now, 7.7800, and stake earnings 463, that is $3,605. I joined with just $100, 126, that is just 10,000 rupees I invested. You can see now approximation, level earning 5,208 I got, and total earning you see 8,814. That means 18 to 864, 6 lakhs 40,000 in 6 months. That is very big for me, and thanks to God, universe, giving me this opportunity. I'm suggesting, because I'm assistant professor in mathematics. I do my class, I take tuitions, everything. This is my part time. I'm doing this with my experience, with my appliance blessings and everyone's blessings. So Ethereum price you can see here. E5 level earning, E5 is also waiting for me. See here how many have 638, 447. This is separate income again. Now 0.7 price is there. This is referred to 10% monthly I'm getting, and total staked USD is 138, 126, plus I purchased again $12 CCC uh, very recently, 1 week back. Now you can see 1015 ECC price is 7,897, which I'll get after 1 year, that is in the month of March. Again I'll get receive this. So 0.33 per 24 hours I'll get. So the price of ECC, you can see it started when and what. So it withdrawal today is very important for us. So I'm making the video, I'm showing my income and all that, what the power of this Ether Connect is. So I can help you in Telugu and Hindi also. You can join this big project. In this project, big celebrities are advertising it, marketing it, like Chris Gale, Nollywood actors, musicians, motivational speakers, and all that. I made videos on it earlier also. If you want, I'll show you that. Uh, you can see that who are promoting it. So today's video is on this only. I want to show you my earning after 6 months of my efforts. You can see here, buy now when you go. Panda is ready for me. Panda INU also I purchased. I want to show you how many pandas are there. When I click on buy on, today's video is only on this. If you want to know more, you can message me regarding this concept on 9666406195 number, or 9346799014. So I'm waiting for Panda to open. It's opened. Panda INU. This is wallet is coming, like a trust wallet. Panda wallet is coming. NFT token is next round. Next is NFT token. You can say round 3 is going on. Total 407. Actually, first round is over. $200 billion and $50 billion also over. And now it is 50 billion coins. Sorry, I said dollars. Now third round is going on. You can see. Uh, what is there here? 5,21,175 Panda NU. If it is 1 rupee also, I'll earn 5,21,175 very soon. In the month of December, we'll get withdrawal monthly. We'll get withdrawal monthly 10%, 10 months. So today's session is on this only. I want to show you my wallet and income, the long gap. I hope you liked this. I loved this because a big one, very big one for me. So please don't miss this opportunity. It's a big opportunity. Interconnect community is big. 17 lakhs plus community. You can just imagine 6 to 7 months, 17 lakhs community is not a joke, because their project is very big. Project is very big, very big. Thank you very much. If you like my channel, subscribe my channel and message me for Etherconnect.